Bye. Hey guys.
Hello, you okay?
Yeah. Hello everyone. Yeah, you okay? Thank you. Hello everyone.
Frank, do your makeup.
Can we go back to Wrexham or what?
Gotta put it now.
Thank you very much.
There you have it. Right? Okay. No problem. Take care. You stay.
Cheers. Is that a chicken? Oh, it was good. Yeah. It's a chicken. That is really cute.
Obviously. Hey, hey.
So nice to see you. Oh. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Right. Thank you. Yeah. Nice to see you.
Hello.
All good?
How are you?
Yeah, good.
You shorts already?
No,
Hello.
Very smart.
Hello. Are you okay? Yeah. Well, I like to have time to set. Hello.
Hi.
Lovely day, isn't it?
That's one of the British fella.
Yes. Perfect for all the big occasions.
Happy essential.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Just in case the weather does turn here. Appreciate it, mate.
See you soon.
Catch you later, mate.
Take care.
See you later.
Yeah, it's a bit of a.
Hi, sir. All good? Yeah, I'm not bad. Oh, we've got to catch up. We've got to have a catch up. Oh, you know what I was really tempted to do then?
You can do.
Have you ever seen that video, the guy with the mic? And he interviews it and he goes, oh. I wanted it to do it to the...
Don't pack light, you see. Hello, how are you?
Looking stylish, huh?
Thank you. Oh. See what I'm saying?
Just give one of those. Oh, drop me.
How
There
are
you go.
you?
Good,
Okay?
thanks yourself.
Thanks, Anne.
I'll let you know. I'll drop you a bit. I'm going to catch you downstairs. It's really classic, like, Medford Street. So just pop down and...
Can't see you coming.
Behind all the cars.
You okay? Where's your buddy?
You are?
Where's your
Do you
buddy?
know what? She hasn't messaged me back. She said to me she was going to let me know when she was coming to town.
You never. You're always together.
Oh, we're not together, are we?
Wow.
Okay. Hello, Rachel Brown.
Hello, Saf.
How do you do? Yeah, I do good, thanks. No, literally. Roll out of bed. Hey guys, you okay?
I was half expecting you to go the other way.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
I should have.
It's something you would do though, isn't it?
I did on the last one, didn't I?
It's alright, she just saw me toe as well.
I was looking at your hand because the watch made it look like you had a cast on. I was too busy and then I...
Too many
things. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you're not the last one.
Why not? Oh, but I would have been 10 past it. But I got to half past, so...
Still a few from Manny way, maybe. Bits of probably down.
That's
That's probably down now.
Yeah, good for you.
Where's the trophies? I thought you were going to bring them. You didn't get a medal? Aw. Okay, good.
What's up, guys? Okay. Good haircut, huh? Good. Thank you. Done it myself.
Morning, guys. Morning.
Okay.
Wow. Wait for it.
No, I was...
Oh my god, it's bad funny.
No, it was actually pretty funny. Hi, guys.
Okay.
I'm starving.
You're just saying the same thing.
Absolutely starving. Oh, that's pictures. Yeah. Again, it's not pretty. That's the same colour. Can I grab it? I was glad to invest in it. In? Yeah. Just when I actually.
Okay.
Okay, well, I'll see you later. Okay, thank you, bye.